Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 6, the final day of riding around the UK like a compass. Today we're going to hit the eastest point and we're done. But first of all, we've got an amazing calf. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's cue the intro. Now, the campsite that we're on here at the beginning, where we stayed last night, there was no one at reception. We got a rubbish email, only I think 2 of us got a voice message to say that the check-in's closing. So we've got here, the facilities, all the toilets are locked up. And literally there was no one here, and we're all desperate for a poo. So we've been holding it all night. Psychic, how desperate's your poo?
So desperate. I don't even know if I can bend over, pull my tent away. My guts are churning. It's getting to the point where I think I'm going to have an accident if I don't go soon.
Do you wish you packed the poo shuffle?
I'm not going to be digging any holes.
It's bad, isn't it? We're all like, we really need to poo, all of us.
I'm one of those people who's quite regular. As soon as I get up in the morning, that's the first thing I need to do.
We're going to a cafe, obviously, that's hosting us for breakfast, and all we're going to do is get them all stand in a big queue to go for a poo.
I don't know if I can hold it.
You're going to go for a poo? Go for a poo up on the reception. Have you picked a tree?
I'm looking which bush I can go and try and get out of viewing. Luckily I've brought some toilet roll, but it's so bad. I don't even know if I can bend over to fold my tent away.
Are you really going?
I've got to go find somewhere.
You're really going for a poo?
I've got to.
Darren's going for a poo, everybody. He's going for a poo.
Get the drone out.
I'm not droning a poo.
Morning campers.
John,
What a lovely sight.
you joined us yesterday. Last 2 days ago.
Yes.
Stayed overnight.
Yes.
You rode all the way with us.
Yes.
You've only just got your massive big pan. We've had about 8 months, but this is your first big adventure.
It is.
What happened yesterday?
Pan wanted to go to sleep for a little while.
Twice, didn't it?
Just a couple of naps.
So you dropped your pan twice. You've come to the campsite.
Sloping ground, it's great. Look, the mattress, because it's sort of like that, you start to sleep there, and within 10 minutes, your feet are right at the end. You slipped all the way down. But
you've brought quite a lot of stuff, haven't you? So you've brought a spare battery in case you need it.
Yeah.
You've bought the biggest tent the man has ever seen.
It's got a garage.
Didn't you bring like loads of bacon as well?
I've got loads of bacon. It's still got to be cooked. Loads of bacon. I bought a meth burner, but I also doubled up with a gas canister as well.
Just in case.
Just in case, yeah.
How many rooms is your tent? Is it 5 or 6?
Three. A good, yeah, probably 3.
3 rooms.
3.
Do you think the weight might have been a consideration to you dropping your bike?
It might have been. I'm gonna light a pack next time.
And then also last night you put your Batman dressing gown on and you went no.
You're Batman.
Yeah, but you put the dressing gown on and you went no. To run to the loo where you tripped over a guide rope.
I didn't even get to Batman. I got no, and that was it. The guy putting a guy line by a tent.
And then
what a stupid place.
When you got to the loo,
they're locked. No showers, no toilets. How are you supposed to go for a beep?
I know you can't.
He's like,
I think.
Yeah, so, luckily we had a spanner, a screwdriver, and so we managed to do some alterations to the racking to climb into the.
This is a metal rack outside.
Yeah, it was tight.
Did you get to the top part of the rack before you decided to get down again?
Well, I got my head through the window and then realised that if I got in there, you'll be shoving the sleeping bag and everything in the loos because there was no way of getting out. I would have had to wait for the keys and then explain why I was shut in the loo.
Bless you. And now today you decided that you're going to go home.
Yeah.
You're too knackered.
Yeah.
Two falls not being able to go for a poo's enough.
Yeah. It's going to be home day.
Home day for you. Well, thank you, John. Anyway, you've been entertaining. You've literally made us in fits of laughter last night. So
I didn't have anything to drink either. It's like,
it was sober.
I was sober.
Well, thanks very much, buddy.
You take care.
So, Psychic, would you recommend this campsite?
No.
It was probably the most expensive campsite of the entire trip, and it was the worst. Downhill pitches, no toilets because they left them locked, no one in reception, no one answering the phone. Yeah.
No, it's like 6 pitches they'd got booked out, and didn't even think to, you'd have thought they'd gone, oh right, we might be late, but we'll leave the toilets unlocked or whatever. No, nothing. Everything locked up. Nobody to get hold of.
It's almost like it's closed.
Yeah, it's terrible, to be honest.
Yeah. Well, their 8.3 TripAdvisor review is going to go down by a few notches, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Anyway, after that lovely sight this morning, you pooing in a bush, and us all peeing in bushes, to be frank, all night. Campsite now smells of wee and poo. But we're off. We're off because we've been waiting for this moment all trip. A proper breakfast. No more porridge, no more disgusting horse food, but a proper food, mate. A proper diner.
Yeah. Well, they say we met Carl yesterday, didn't they? And he even came out and had a beer with us yesterday evening as well when we were having the dinner.
Yeah, and what a nice guy. Super nice guy.
He brought his Harley out, didn't he?
Yeah, how nice is that? The thing of it is, now you've ridden Luke's, the Works Channels one, just around the field. You already wanted one. Now you've seen that, it's like you're walking with a slight limp of like love for them now. Like you're wanting to touch them.
Yeah, I've had a bit of a, well, I wouldn't say I was like a, I've always, it's like an itch, isn't it? An itch you want to scratch, and I've always been, yeah, they're nice, they're good, but yeah, I don't know whether it's just now because I've got a beard and I think I'm cool.
And yeah, now I've got a beard, I'm completely with you. It does make you want to get like a Harley, a bit of a leather jacket, a Kevlar like checked top and open-faced helmet, and I think we would look like the most sexiest men in the world.
Yeah, I have to agree with you.
Oh, so that's a first. Bloody hell. Anyway, shall we?
Let's go and get a really nice breakfast and use the toilet.
So here we are at chapter 1, where we're going to be having a proper breakfast, our proper breakfast for the first time. I'm so excited. So we've got a little builder's loo over there, and we're queuing to go in it first because we all need to poo. We've all arrived going. We're going to have to go for a poo before we can come inside. So once we've all defecated the entire toilet that no one's going to want to go in all day, we can go and get some breakfast. Good.
Look at that.
Carl, the owner's just brought us ox pudding,
Yeah.
like black pudding but better. So we're cultured now. Do you feel cultured?
Cultured for the area about this.
Got no class, all attributes. Don't know if I'm talking about me or you, baby. No one gets me like you do.
Carl, you're not disappearing, you're not legging it. We've just had the best breakfast in the world. I mean, seriously, that was amazing. I couldn't even eat it. I felt quite embarrassed. You know, I'm not even at half because I'm that full up. It's amazing. But you're going to let me ride your pride and joy, your Harley. Is it? What happens if I drop it? Have I got to buy it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to drop it. Thank you very much. So thanks for the breakfast. I'm going to jump on that. I'm going to have a spin, and that'll be my second ever ride of one. I'm not that sort. I can't even remember what sort I even rode, to be honest. I rode so like something, but that's an old school. So it's going to be fun.
Harley.
Proper one. I have to grow my beard more now. Right, let's have some fun. Sexy, innit? Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! my gosh, I have no idea what bike. I don't even know what bike this is. How crap is that? I'm going right and right again, he said. Look at the massive place you got to put your feet. Is it normal? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. It's like riding an alien's bike, because this is unnatural for me. Fucking how'd you turn them? Right. Is it? It's not that way, that's first. There's a hill. Yes! Second! We're in second! Woo! Oh man. Do you know what? On a serious basis, this is well comfortable. Oh. I can see myself now. Bigger beard. Looking even more sexy. More power. Hill. Hill change. Power. Speed limit. Hood down. Let's go. Woo! Oh, I want one. I just need to have a fag in my mouth. No, a cigar in my mouth. A bud in there. Drinking my Budweiser. Smoking my cigar. Driving down the A whatever road it is. Looking pure sexy. Oh, this is... I can't believe he said you have a go for a ride on it. I was like, oh, this is good. I've got a sneaky little thing to say. I'm going to be getting a Harley for a day soon. For a day. Me and a Harley for a day. And I was waiting for them to ride one, but you can't not do the offer. Where do I go down here? Oh shit, I need to change gear. I'm not in the right gear. Right, this is the bit I think I'm going to turn around here. How do you turn indicators off? I don't know. I'll just indicate all the way back. No one will care. Right, here we go. Let's see how heavy this is. Turn around. Do you know what? It looks like a beast, but that's all right. That's... Oh, hang on. Where's first gear? Right, I'm duck poddling this bad boy. Oh shit! Don't slip. Here we go. I am badass. Badass Mother Hubbard. I reckon one of these... How'd you turn indicators off? Well, it turned off now. One of these, the Psychic on one, Route 66. What do you reckon? Route 66. We might not be able to go around any bends, so if we go to the States, they're just straight, aren't they? Let's go! Change gear! I've got this bad boy! I've got this! Listen to that roar! Oh! The dude owns the best cafe in the world, makes the best breakfast, and he's got a Harley. Oh, do you think he'll have my babies? Oh, I've gone all like Gideon's. I like it that much. Is that the way back? Is that the way back? Is that the way back? I think that's the way back. No, that's not the way back. Oh, I'm lost. Keep it forever. No, I'll put it into another gear. Oh yeah. Yeah, put my foot on the boards. Look sexy. Strike a pose. One arm down. Even look sexier. Oh yes. Oh yes. Power. Woo! Oh, and the whole thing, you're getting the rumble on your bum cheeks. You're getting a massage with the sound of this engine. Oh, I don't want to go back. Where's neutral? It's in gear. Do you want to get married and we'll... Oh, I love it. Because I haven't got a clue what I just rode and I've just fallen in love. What is it?
It's a 2012 Fatboy 103 cubic inch, or 1690 in English.
We're supposed to know all that if we actually buy one.
It has got technical letters as well. It's an FL some little road by. I haven't got a clue what that is. I can never remember all
What's a
that.
cubic inch mean? Is that the size of the
Yeah, it's just
size of the
over
man's
here-
balls?
Yeah, over here at CC in America they call it cubic inch.
Oh, so it's not the size of your man balls to ride in a Harley. No. How much is it worth?
About 12 grand.
Well, I've sat on it. So it's worth like about 20 grand now.
Yeah, it's price has gone up. So if anybody wants to buy it, I'm open to offers.
I've got a tenner.
Not that much low. The price has gone up now.
It's gone up. It's gone up. I want it. I just want it. I really
It's
want
addictive.
it. That sound, yeah, and the engine, and it's not heavy. It looks really heavy, but when you're on it, you don't feel the weight. Oh, I want to have sex with the bike. So you've popped down to say hello. I'm going to shake your hand. I've already shook hands once. We've already met, but do you want to just introduce yourself to everybody?
Yeah, Steve, and yeah, I'm quite often with guys down here, and yeah, it's good to meet everyone. And
Fantastic.
best of luck on the remainder of your ride.
Thank you so much. And this is the best place around here to have breakfast.
Absolutely,
Full
yeah,
stop.
I'm a regular.
Do you know they're going to put on the menu an 11 out of 10 breakfast? It's going to be called the 11 out of 10. So whenever you come in, all you've got to say now is, can I have the 11 out of 10?
I'll remember that.
And it'll give you 10% off.
I'll remember that. I'll definitely remember the last bit, 10% off. Anyway.
Right, buddy. Thanks very much, man. Let's roll, dude. What a breakfast. I couldn't even eat it all. I was so full. See you later, mate.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your